Hi guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video, we will teach you if someone hit a knife on your belly like this way, then how to defend yourself. Unfortunately, if this accident happened to you, you already know this defense. So give 2 minutes because these 2 minutes can save your life. Watch the entire video without missing any part. So let's start. If someone comes to fight you from the front and you push him away, then he quickly pull out a knife and stab you in the stomach. You can see my stance and block. When he hits a knife, you will take a step back with your left leg if he hits with right hand and block with your right hand like this position. If you do this technique, this block, then knife can also cut you because this is not very protective self-defense. But how is this technique? Tell in comment box. Step number 1 like this. Step back and block with your right hand. Now step number 2. Now quickly you hit the elbow shot on his ear like this and grab his wrist with your left hand. Step number 3. Again elbow strike on his nose like this position. Now grab his arm and lock his arm in this position. Now take a step forward and lock his knee in this way and push him down. Now he is fully under control and control with your knee. Now snatch a knife and you can hit. Guys, now I will show you this technique from the other angle so you can understand better. Yes. 1. Block. Hit. Lock and throw him down like this way. Ha! Guys, now I will show you this technique fast motion. It works or not in real. Ha! Guys, please support our channel and share our video with your friends. And if you like the video, then press the like button. And we thank those people who support our channel. So tell us in comment box how you like this video. Creating a new technique takes a lot of time. So guys, please support our channel and watch the entire video. And watch the stances, stepping and movements. If your stances, stepping and movements are not good, then you can't do the technique perfectly. And also you need to learn basic punching and kicking. And next we will make a video for you in which we will teach basic kicks and punch. So press the bell icon. Thank you.